Stunning 4-bedroom retreat in heart of Oneida. Experience the ultimate in comfort and sophistication in this exceptional 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom residence, perfectly situated on 0.56 acres in Oneida, Tennessee. Luxurious features. 2 spacious bedrooms upstairs and 2 downstairs for optimal flexibility. Master retreat with dual closets and separate living area/entertainment space. 2 elegant bathrooms with granite countertops. Expansive decks upstairs and downstairs, perfect for outdoor entertaining. Resort-style outdoor living. Fully fenced backyard, 4.5 feet, with play set, ideal for families. Private and serene setting with lush greenery. Prime location. Steps from Oneida's top restaurants, shops, and local amenities. Convenient access to major routes. A rare combination of space, luxury, and location.